Okay, so finally gonna get ready to start working on the Lincoln. A couple of videos back I had that really bad misfire going on, so I'm gonna dig in that today. I'm gonna take the valve cover off. Hopefully it's just a stuck lifter or something, and go that route, go from there, see what happens. So I'm gonna get started, guys. Let's hope something good comes out of it, or something easy at least. Well, off first visual inspection, I can't really see that anything is broken. None of the push rods appear to be bent from what I can see right now. So I'm just gonna take all this off and I guess pull the lifters out and see if something's wrong with the lifters. I do have a couple of lifters I could replace the one's acting bad, so but go from there and see what happens. Okay, well, I got the lifters here. I'm gonna go ahead and pull out these. Probably inspect them. Nothing else is bent or broken or whatever, so I really don't want to have to pull off the head, just because I don't want to. So I'm gonna get those things out and replace them. Probably put the shit back all together and see what happens. Yeah, got one out. It's like normal right now, but we'll have to get the tool off and fuck with it. Does seem really easy to push in. So I don't think I'm supposed to be able to push it in with my finger quite that easily. Ooh, look at my glove. Oh no, I can't even push that one in it. Oh, this hurts my finger. So, okay. So I have this hydraulic lifter tool. and you use this to get it. Use it to get inside that, and you tighten this down. There's a ball bearing in there. I don't know if you can see it very well. The ball bearing in there pushes these out, and then you just tap back slowly, and it will slowly pull those lifters out. So that's what I'm using to get them out. Pretty easy, but yeah, I'm pretty sure that's bad. These are just spare lifters I had laying around that were new. I'll eventually replace all of them, but it wouldn't be any fun if I replaced all of them now, so I'm just gonna do the two, because I'm just gonna fucking send it. Hey. Okay, new lifters going in. These were soaking in oil. I just took them out the oil and put them in the bag so I didn't have to carry a giant bucket of oil and spill it all over the car. So, gonna put these in. Hopefully that fixes my issue and put everything back together. So. Okay, two hydraulic lifters in. That took a lot longer than expected. One of them decided to be an ass and just fall. So I had to get a magnet and fish that out. So, awesome stuff. While following torque specs for the rocker arms to go into the head, the bolt decided to take a shit. So, hardware stores that I would want to go to get a grade 8 bolt. Pretty sure they're closed right now. I may run to Home Depot to see if they have anything, but I seriously doubt it. So this will probably be a project I have to finish during the week, because today's Sunday and I don't think the places that I want to go to, like I said, are open. So fun stuff. Fun stuff. See how this goes.